Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we take trades in a trendy market. So let's analyze the markets here. Okay, so AUD USD, I'm not seeing a trendy market here, but now here I can see a trendy market. So now let's see what happens here. Okay, so the next level is here. Okay, I have drawn this level already, so let's see. I am comfortable with this one, so I need to check another pair. So here, if I analyze the market here, what I'm seeing here is very simple, that from this point what I'm seeing, I can go here with the sellers. Why? Because I took my trade in a direction of the trend and I'm not seeing any kind of level here, so therefore the next candle will go down. And now you can see here this trend is an uptrend, and now can I trust this area? So yes, I can easily trust this one. So this is kind of retracement candle or pullback situation. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so now as I have drawn the level, market is going down from this point. So now you can see, therefore I am winning my trade here easily. I took my trade in a direction of the trend and with a momentum. So this is a big exhausted candle. So now you can see I won my trade here. Let me try to take another trade. Okay, so I need to go and check the pairs. In GBP CAD, can I go here with the buyers? So I am going to take my decision with the 5-second. I need to check. Okay, so I took my trade here with this 5-second and with this one. So you will see the market will close above my entry point for sure. The market has to go up and it will close above my entry point. So always remember that whenever there is a strong breakout, so always expect 80% of the time you will see a retracement candle. So market will try to retest the levels again. So now you can see, because of that, market is giving us an ITM. Okay, so now let me, okay, now in this situation you can see the trend is an uptrend and this candle is trying to retest the levels. So now allow this candle to come down and see what this candle do with the market. Okay, so now you can see this market is retesting the level because of this level. Now let me show you here. This is the level. Market is retesting now. Sellers are entering strongly in this scenario here, but now what I need to do is to wait for the pullbacks and the buyers and the sellers fight. So after that I will decide what will market do in the future. So let's wait and see. Okay, a very good market move, a very classic market move. So let me draw my levels. Okay, so now this is my level. Again you can see this is strong, buyers are entering and they are trying to give us a good buyer's entry, but I need to wait for the market move. Now you can see again sellers are entering into the market. So this is not your way to take your trade, because this is a pullback of this level. So therefore wait for the next candle. I can go here with the buyers. Why? Because you can see from this point market is giving us a rejection and we can expect a buyers here. So it is better to wait for the next candlestick and then we will decide what to do. Okay, now I cannot trust this level anymore because market came down. Okay, so in GBP and ZD, so let me show you here. Now after this candlestick, can I go here with the sellers? Okay, let me draw my level here. So this is my next level, so again I can easily go here with the sellers. Now you can see after this, let me show you here, after this pullback again I am seeing a seller's entry. So what does it means? It means that sellers wants to go down again because your trend is a downtrend. So therefore I took my trade and there is no possibility for us to lose our trade. So let's see, my entry point is a bit late entry point, but my prediction is only for the bearish candlestick. So because of this engulfing, the market can go down here. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, so now no sign of, there is no sign of. Okay, so I can trust a seller's entry again here. Yes, so I took my trade here to recover my loss because of this movement. Now you can see market is going down again, so I lost my trade unfortunately because this candle was not that much strong and I took my trade in a down direction, so it was totally my mistake. So because of that I lost my trade. Now I want to check another pair. Okay, so now you can see I am winning my trade here. Now you can see here I am not seeing here a good market, so I need to check another pair here. Now can I go here with the sellers? Yes, I can go here with the sellers, but I am late. So if the candle goes up, I can easily go here with the sellers. So here I took my trade in a downwards direction. Why? Because you can see here, if I draw my line here, okay, so again it was again a bit risky trade for me, my mistake. So luckily if I get an ATM it will be good for me. Okay, so because of this doji I am secure. Now my mistake was this one, that this was the buyer's zone. From this point you can see buyers entered, and luckily I won my trade because of this doji. Okay, so no issues. Let me take another trade here. Now you can see here it is very much visible that this was a level and market broke this level. So now what you are seeing here, after this strong breakout, you are seeing a retracement candle. So market is trying to retest the area. So now if this candle closes as a, now you can see a weak sellers, a very weak sellers. So now can I trust here buyers? Yes, we can trust, but we need to wait again. Why? Because still there was a gap. Because of this weak candle we can trust the buyers. So let me check another pair here now. Okay, so again I can, okay, I am late here, I am totally late here. So this candle has to, okay, so after this candle what I can expect here? A buyer's entry? Yes, I can expect here a buyer's entry. So this entry point is a good entry point. So let's see what happens here, because you can see after breakout still I'm seeing a buyer's entry and market reject the retracement candle exactly from this zone. Let me show you here. Now you can see buyers can enter again into the market, and market can go up from this point, because you can see market is trying to make a bullish candles. So how can you check your past? You can see here after one bearish, three bullish, after one bearish I can expect here a again bullish candlestick. So this is how you can easily take your trades. I took so many trades in front of you all, and I'm going to post my live tournament trading tomorrow, and I will show you that how I came to top 100 from 1500 to top 100. So wait for that. I will post also that video, and I will show you each and every trade, and I will show you also my tournament history, tournament position after each and every trade. So you will enjoy that and you will learn from that also. So now you can see I took so many trades. I took here my trade and I lost this trade because of my mistake. This candle was not a confident candle, so therefore I lost my trade. It was totally wrong, and this candle closed exactly at the level, so I took my trade and I recovered my loss. And let me show you here. I took my trade here because I knew there wasn't any level, so therefore the market went down. Why? Because you can see here from this point to this point I'm not seeing any kind of buyer's entry, so therefore I took my trade with this candle. And now you can see here I took my trade here because of the breakout. Because of this breakout, because of this strong breakout, market again tried and retest the level, and I got my 5-second here, and you can see how easily I won my trade here. Okay, so let me show you another trade. Now I took my trade this one, and luckily I won my trade. Why? Because you can see from this buyer zone, again this was a buyer's entry point, market closed exactly at the level. I took my trade by not analyzing the levels properly, so luckily I won my trade here because of this doji. And now you can see after that breakout again you are seeing a seller's entry. So now can I go here with the sellers? Yes, we can go here with the sellers. So I took my trade again in a downwards. So let's see what happens here. Again this candle will go down. Why? Because you can see here you need to analyze the market movement. Market movement is like this. So again it is getting the rejection exactly from this zone. So I took my trade here with this candle. Unfortunately I was not realizing the time, but still I am confident that the next level is here and the next level is here, so I can win my trade here also. And I took my trade on the previous candle, so you will see again we will win this trade. So let's see what happens here. and this will be my last trade, and tomorrow or on Friday I am going to post my tournament live trading video of 20 minutes, so you will see how I took my trade and how I went from $100 to $700. So you will see. Okay, so if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead. So bye for now, and I want to show you that how can we take trades. And now you can see if your market is going as per your direction, so you can easily take your trades. Now you can see here your trend is a confirmed trend, and now again the same logic you can see. I told you after every strong breakout market will always try, and 95 to 80% of the time they try to retest the levels, so buyers always enters into the market. So what kind of trend we are having here? It is very easy. We are having here a downwards trend, so therefore the market is going down. So now you can see again a very weak buyers after breakout. So can we trust here this candle? So we need to wait here. Why? Because we don't know is this candle is a pullback or a retracement. So this candle will give us a clear idea that what kind of candle is this one. So now can we go here with the sellers after this candlestick? So body is telling us that the candle is a weak candle, but we are seeing a rejection from the sellers. We are seeing a strong body, and here there is a gap to the level. So let me show you the level. So can we trust here a seller's entry or not? Now you can see here there is a small gap. Now this is the small gap. So market always tries to fill that gap, but why the traders get losses in this situation? They always think that okay, the market has to go down from this point, but market went down and it fulfilled its gap here. But now you can see what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing here a new high. The new high means that sellers were there, now the sellers are here. So therefore market make this move. So therefore the next candle is going up and it is closing as a bullish. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. I am there for you all. Bye for now. Stay blessed and bye.